I just ran to go get my case. They just delivered it. But hi everybody, welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Seriah Alexus. I normally post vlogs, post grad life type of videos, petite fashion and beauty videos. But today we are doing another unboxing, and I am unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So honestly, if you watch my other videos, you know that I just got the iPad Air. So I wasn't planning on getting the iPhone until, I saved up more money to get it. But my parents were at the Apple store and they were like, the phones are going out quick or whatever, you might as well just get it now if you're gonna get it. So I was just like, you know what, whatever, and I just bought it. Really happy I did, because honestly, like, I'm grateful to have a phone in general, but the phone that I have now is just not the best. So the total price of the phone was $1,278 after New York State tax.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
So I got it in the color silver, which is actually really white. It's just silver on the sides, which you guys will see. And I got the 256 gigs. My previous phone that I have is only like 64 gigs, I think. Yeah, like 64 gigs. So just imagine like the amount of pictures that I take. I have no space on this phone. Let's do that. Oh, this is really easy. Yeah, so this is the box. It's really slim. We're gonna see what they put in it, as we already know they got rid of the box. Oh, it's a matte. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is why my phones are always cracked. I don't know if you guys can tell from the camera, but if you see, the sides are very shiny. It's like chrome, kind of like a mirror, which is cute. And the back is like matte. I have the 8 Plus, and the camera, as you can see, is such a big difference. Like, if you're not already, follow me on Instagram, because these Instagram pictures are about to be bomb. The camera obviously is like a big difference, so I'm really excited for that. It has the home button, the silent button, and the volume buttons, just in case anybody didn't know that. So let's peel that part off. Nice. Ooh, she's cute. Alright, so I'm really scared about the front screen. I really do not want to mess up this phone at all. I'm going to protect her. So let me just show you guys what's in the box in case you don't know already. So they just give you the charger, and it is the USB-C adapter and then the lightning adapter. So that's a little frustrating, because if you don't have the box for the USB-C, you're gonna have to buy one, because this doesn't come with it. But luckily, since I got the iPad, it came with the USB-C box, so that's good. But if you don't want to get another box, or if you don't have one at the moment, there are these little adapter things you can get off of Amazon for like $5. They look like the regular chargers, and you would just plug in the USB-C port into that, and then it turns into a regular charger. And then, of course, the only other thing in here is their little pamphlet. Again, I don't know who's reading these. Oh, it comes with a sticker. I'd be forgetting about these. And then it also comes with the SIM card thing to like plug it in your phone. But that's it. I don't know. Let me know what y'all feel like about Apple not including the box anymore, or headphones into their phones. Like, let me know. I was kind of salty about it at first, I'm not gonna lie. But that's everything that is in the box. It's really sleek, which is nice. Let's start setting up my phone. Literally, I don't even want to touch it right now because I'm scared. Comparing the sizes, this is, my phone keeps turning on, let's not do that. This is the sizes of the 8 Plus and the iPhone Pro Max. I'm like covering my face. So pretty much they are the same size if you ask me. Let me take off my case though. This is the size comparison. They're about the same size in terms of thin, like how thin they are. So obviously the 12 Pro is way more thicker than the 8 Plus. And another detail is the fact that the 12 Pro has a more squared off type of design, whereas the 8 Plus is more rounded. Anyway, so the weight, honestly, I can't really tell the weight difference. The 12 is obviously weighs more than the 8 Plus, so it's a little bit heavier, but it's not crazy heavy. It's still relatively light, but it's definitely heavier than the 8 Plus. I will show you guys a close-up of what it looks like, and then we'll do like a camera test at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But now let's set it up. Hola. Okay, so let's see if it's gonna work for me this time. I'm gonna try to set up my phone where I can do the quick start instead of doing it manually. Last time I had some issues with the iPad, so I'm hoping that this actually works. It's asking me to put my old phone over my new phone and scan it. So I'm gonna do that, set it up on here. Alright, so it's saying that it may take a few minutes to activate my phone. So what we're gonna do, in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys the accessories that I got. Oh, okay, no, never mind. It said it's ready. Apple be moving quick. Alright, so now I gotta set up the Face ID. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. I never had Face ID for like none of my Apple devices, so this is all new to me. Alright, so I'm gonna charge my old phone because it has to stay charged while it's transferring, and it's saying that the estimated time is 25 to 35 minutes. So like I was saying before, what I'm gonna do is show you guys some of the accessories that I got, and then I'll just come back to you after this is all done transferring to test out the camera for you. I should have sprayed this down with alcohol. So I just got this case just to have one right now. Like I said, I'm being extra safe. So I just picked this one up from Amazon. It was only like $9 or something. It comes with screen protectors. It comes with 2 screen protectors. It comes with the case, obviously. So this is the case, simple, clear case. I did order my other case that should be coming in a few weeks. I ordered it off of Etsy and I will have it linked down below, but this is what it looks like. Really cute. So we're gonna put on screen protectors. No more crack skeins. No more cracked screens. No more cracked screens from me from here on out. Alrighty, it is done. Everything looks like it transferred over. But what we're gonna do is put on the screen protectors. I always get so much anxiety like doing this because I don't want none of those little air bubbles. I wanted to just show you guys the camera. Already I like the camera quality. Let me show you guys what the video is looking like. The zoom is dumb good on this, and then this is the wide.
I love the wide view, guys.
Alright, so this is the photo quality. Super cute, super cute. Let's take a selfie. Oh no, it's too detailed. It's showing the lace. Cute. So I actually really love the camera. I knew that I would. Anything honestly would have been a step up from what I was dealing with on my old phone. I know that this camera also has night mode, so I'm trying to see how to use that. I feel like I want to test out how this looks in the dark. Since it's still bright outside, maybe I'll go in the bathroom, take a selfie with the light off. I did one photo, which is this one with the lights basically completely off, and this is what it came out like. It's still blurry, but that's pretty impressive for the front camera, one, and for the lights being completely off. And then this is with the lights just dimmed. The only thing is, when you want to shoot in night mode, you have to be super still. My final reviews of the phone, I would say I definitely love it. I'm happy that I got the Pro Max. I love the size. I think I definitely need a big screen because I like to see everything. So that is pretty much it. Don't forget to check out the description box because I always link everything. For the most part, I link everything that I talk about in my videos down there so you guys can find them too. If you enjoy my videos, definitely make sure that you subscribe and support my channel, and also check out my Instagram and my Pinterest. Definitely comment down below if you think that Apple should have kept the box and the headphones. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Say hi.
Edit me out.
You want me to edit you out? Oh my god. You gotta love filming at home.